Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I did a short on this 1996 F-150. This is my parts hauler I've used for hauling quarter panels and all kinds of things for the 57. But also it quit running on me. And so I've had nothing but an electronic nightmare with this thing. And so I'm going to go through what I did and what I changed. And so originally when it quit working, it's got a lot of miles. So I figured the first thing I would change would be cap and wires down there. Brand new cap and wires. Didn't help. So I did some testing. Said that the distributor was working according to this guy's Scanner Danner's testing thing, but I was using a Harbor Freight meter and I thought, well, you know, it maybe is good enough. But anyhow, so the next thing I went to was a coil. I put a coil on it, brand new coil. Didn't work. Then an ignition module. Didn't work. Then temperature sensor, which is actually cracked and broken, but it didn't work. ECM. Got a V8 ECM by mistake, and it actually started to fire, but then it wouldn't start and run. So I got the proper one, changed it out, wouldn't run. So what did I do next? Well, I attempted to, I removed the distributor down there. I was going to change the little sensor in there, Hall effect sensor, PIC, whatever you want to call it, pickup coil. But I got the distributor out after much wrestling, 250 some thousand miles of crud on the bottom of the thing. I actually had to almost drive it out of the hole. I got it down, tried to get the distributor gear off, and the distributor gear shattered on me. So I was left with no other choice but to buy a brand new, I don't know if you can see it down there, but she's brand new distributor with a rebuilt coil in it and all of that. Make sure it's 16 tooth gear. On this particular year, it's 96, has to have a 16 tooth gear. Other years seem to have an odd tooth gear, because I tried to buy a gear and it was a 15 tooth. Looks similar, but it was the wrong pitch. So anyhow, we dropped, I got the distributor dropped back into place, and lo and behold, she starts and runs. So this has been aggravating me for some time, just because I spend what money I had to do it, to get it to run, and nothing would work. And so it just frustrated me. I just want to walk away from it. But I eventually conquered it. And if I'd have started with the ignition pickup coil first, which I would suggest to you, if you're going to replace anything, replace that thing, because it controls everything else. It only picks up what the computer sends, or you know, what it sends to the computer, the sensor, and the computer can't, you know, in the ignition module, in none of that, and they are a problem. They are a known problem, and they were probably more of the obscure problem announced, guys that have it on the internet, but it seems to be a commonality. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I said I would share my mechanical misadventures. This thing has been a misadventure from the get. But it's a good truck. I mean, man, when you're looking at $64,000, $70,000 to buy a pickup truck, a $1,800 beater pickup truck ain't too bad. And you've got to put a few $100 in it. In the end of things, at least you got a truck you can haul some stuff in. So take it easy, keep the rubber side down. Talk to you later.